Kasado na bukas ang pagsisimula ng kompetisyon sa 11th Asian Age Group Championship na isasagawa sa New Clark City Stadium sa Capas, Tarlac. Kaya ngayong araw, sumailalim na ang ating pambansang kupunan sa kanilang huling ensayo. May ulat si Darrell Oclares ng PTV Sports.
Nakatakda ng sumabak ang Philippine Swimming Team sa formal na pagsisimula ng 11th Asian Age Group Championship sa darating na Lunes sa New Clark City Stadium sa Capas, Tarlac. Kaya ngayong araw sinulit na ng ating pambansang kupunan ng huling ensayo bago ang kompetisyon. Ayon kay Head Coach Pinky Brosas, handang-handa na ang 44 na tankers na lumangoy sa kani-kanilang mga swimming event.
Well, they're ready. All I told them was just to do their best, and if we can go for a medal, go for it. That will even make the event spicier for us, no? But if not, I want everybody to get in and just do their best and then try to break the best time.
Dagdag pa ni Brosas, bukod sa mga swimmers, magandang pagkakataon din ito para sa mga coaches na matuto sa international swimming meet.
Actually, we're not only looking at the development and the well-being of the swimmers. What we are looking forward to, and I recommend it, that we have to have as many coaches as we can participate, because this is a learning process for both our swimmers and our coaches.
May ibinigay din na mensahe si Brosas para sa kanyang kupunan.
I wish everybody the best, and as I said, it's a learning experience for anyone. And please come and support us here.
Hiling naman ng ating mga pambansang swimmers ang dasal at suporta sa kanilang muling paglangoy para sa bayan. Darrell Oclares para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.